In this episode, I'm going to show you the contraption I made to clean the wheels on my wagons. Stick around. Hi. I don't normally look forward to cleaning the wheels on my wagons. There's too many of them. This one in particular has 8 wheels, and imagine if you have 20 or 40 odd wagons you have to clean. Quite a task. So, I might have come with an easier solution. Maybe not for everyone, but have a look. So, I've come up with this idea where instead of manually turning the wheels to clean them, I will get a motor to turn the wheels. For a motor, I have selected a servo. I have many of these from my other hobby. This one is wired for 12 volts DC direct, so it's easy to power it. And it is also mechanically modified so it can spin 360 degrees. So it's just, basically it's just a motor, and that's the shaft. And it's easier to mount because, I mean, servo mounts are easy to find. So we're going to need the said servo mount with the brackets and the hardware, okay? And also a piece of wood to put it all on. Now, I will apply this wheel. It's big, yes. I had it. It's a byproduct of a kit I bought. This was meant for robotics, but I never used it. But I found some use for it now. And what I'm going to do is put it in here. Basically, this is what's going to happen. The wheel will spin, and I will pick up my wagon, and I will put, this is rubber by the way, it's got like a tire on it. So I will put one of the wheels on the rubber. It will spin the shaft, and while it's spinning, I will clean the top wheel. When I'm ready, flip it around and do the other wheels. But before we do anything like that, I have to mount this on this bit of wood, wire it and all that. So let me get started on that, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so I built this contraption here. Basically, like I said, it's a bit of plywood. I screwed the servo into the mountings and the mountings into the wood and the wheel in place. For the time being, I ordered, while the hardware I ordered arrives, I'm going to use this LiPo battery here, which will connect direct. And here goes. There we are. So that's the motor turning there. Now, I've got my cotton bud with my favorite product, and I'm going to put the wheel onto here. You can see the top one spinning, right? So just wipe it clean. Not bad. Now the other one. Hang on. Change side. And in my opinion, they look quite clean. It was quite effortless, to be honest with you. I got these two, they're a bit matte, the ones up here. So let me try these now. Hang on. Nice, look at the difference. I don't know if you can see it. The top ones and the bottom ones. The top ones are the clean ones. You see how shiny they are compared to the bottom ones? So let's try them now. Oh yes. There you are. And we have one clean wagon. Okay, quite effortless. Now, one down, another 11 of these to go, plus the others. But it was rather cheap to do. Mind you, I had all the parts, but in reality it would cost what? This was about €5, the whole kit. This is a cheap plastic servo, very low torque. You don't need high torque with this. This was about another $5 on eBay. Bit of wood and a few screws. You know what I mean? For €20 or $20, I think you can do this very easily. Anyway, hope you like. Hope I hear about somebody doing this in the future. Until the next time.